protests taking place over the issue of pollution. In fact, dramatic protests witnessed at Delhi's Jantar Mantar, where the protesters were seen carrying oxygen cylinders. So citizen groups of Delhi protesting at Jantar Mantar for clean air over the issue of pollution. And there are visuals coming to fore of how people were seen carrying oxygen cylinders to display their protest. And of course, gather the attention of the government and the authorities, the administration, on how people in the national capital region are suffering, asking the authorities to take concrete measures to fight this menace. Dramatic protest at Jantar Mantar, some seen with oxygen cylinders. This is symbolic to send out a message that people are gasping for clean air, fresh air. And this may be symbolic, but then there are actually a lot of people who suffer from respiratory disorders, who are finding it extremely difficult to breathe, finding it difficult to deal with the situation, the rising level of pollutants in the air in the national capital region. Voicing the opinion, views and concerns of all of these people are the citizen groups that are protesting at Jantar Mantar. Shefali is getting us more details, some of them carrying oxygen cylinders along with them. Shefali, can you hear me?
Thank you, Sanika.
Yes. We are currently at Jantar Mantar. And I would like to ask my video journalist to show the visuals over here. Citizen groups of Delhi have joined this protest. You will see it's a very vibrant protest. You will see many different kind of posters will also be seen. There are protesters who have brought air purifiers, oxygen cylinders. They are protesting on stage, singing songs regarding air pollution. We'd like to speak to some of the people who have joined this protest. Sir, you have come here to protest for clean air. You're demanding clean air. What would you like to say?
Ma'am, actually, you know what, like we all need air to breathe, right? We all need. It's not just ki we are protesting. At least whatever who are in the power, who are in authority, they should actually be take the action to have a breathable air. Just like if our Prime Minister Modi जी saying मजे लो ऑफ मौसम के, आई नो किस तरीके का एयर क्वालिटी है, अभी आंखों से पानी आ रहा है बहुत बच्चों के, वो जो बच्चे हैं बुजुर्ग है वो मतलब इस हवा को वो breathe नहीं कर पा रहे. It's absolutely very dangerous situation right now. The AIQ quality of the air is very like in the dangerous situation, and the Prime Minister is not taking it very lightly. So I just request that the people who are in authority, even the Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, and the Prime Minister Modi, they should take it very seriously, because this if we breathe what we are breathing, it should be a good quality of air. Otherwise, we are going to lose our life expectancy in the country.
What are you going to say to the government? The demand that you are asking, you want to say a message that you want to convey to the government?
जिस तरीके से आप मतलब I would just like to say that कि quality air is very important, so that like we can have a healthy life. And if we are not getting a good quality air, then for what purpose we are here, or for what purpose we are working right now, like for what purpose we are developing? We are not developing if you are not getting a good quality of air. The very basic thing is to have a good quality of air to breathe. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Speaking with Times Now, we'll move forward, and I'd like my video journalist to show one of the protesters who are wearing a very different kind of mask as a symbolism. Sir, अपना नाम
Right.
बबलू जी, आपने मास्क पहना हुआ है, आप जंतर मंतर पर प्रोटेस्ट पर आए हैं, एक मांग कर रहे हैं साफ प्रदूषण फ्री हवा की, क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मैं बिना मास्क के रहना चाहता हूँ, पर मैं मास्क खोलते ही खांसी आने लगेगी, आंखों पे जलन होने लगेगी, इसलिए मैंने आंखों को भी कवर किया हुआ है. और N95 जो मास्क है इतना पोल्यूशन नहीं रोक सकता, इसलिए मैंने ये मास्क पहना हुआ है.
All right, Shefali, stay on with us. Dramatic protests at Jantar Mantar and in Parliament as well. Outside the Parliament, we saw Congress MP Imran Masood carry a oxygen cylinder. We are also playing out those visuals. Protest by the opposition over the issue of pollution. We spoke to Imran Masood, who says, hope we don't need oxygen booths.
देखिए मैसेज ये दे रहा हूँ कि हर आदमी के कंधे के ऊपर ये दिखाई ना दे और सरकार को जरूरत ना पड़े कि हर जगह ऑक्सीजन बूथ बनाए। जाग जाइए, अभी बचाइए।
प्रधानमंत्री ने तो लेकिन पहले दिन कहा था कि मौसम का लुत्फ उठाइए।
मौसम का लुत्फ इसके बिना तो उठेगा नहीं, इसका ही जरूरत पड़ेगी। सांस तो आ नहीं रहा है तो मौसम का लुत्फ कैसे उठाएंगे?
सर एक बार खोलकर भी यहाँ पर दिखा देंगे क्या इसमें
ये सिलेंडर ऑक्सीजन है और बस मास्क है और क्या है।
So you heard what the Congress MP had to say. And amidst all this, the protest taking place at Jantar Mantar and the Parliament as well, amid the raging debate over air crisis in the national capital region, Sonia Gandhi has launched an attack on the centre, penning a scathing article on environmental issues. She accused the government of disregarding environment, promoting exploitation of resources, and links electoral bonds to environmental clearances. Congress leader also alleges undue corporate influence on policy making. Let's go across to Niyamika, joining us in the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, we're playing out visuals of the dramatic protests that took place at Jantar Mantar, but not just citizen groups. The opposition is also protesting over the issue. Sonia Gandhi has penned an article in which she has made several allegations against the government of disregarding environment, of promoting the culture of exploitation of resources.
Well, yes, indeed, the Congress party is raising the matter of air pollution from the very first day. Earlier, it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and now today it was Imran Masood, along with several of the Haryana Congress MPs also who were, wearing the oxygen mask. Imran Masood had brought in the oxygen cylinder to the parliament. They are basically trying to give out this message to the government that the Congress party is continuously raising this demand that there should be a discussion upon the deteriorating air quality index in the national capital. As for that reason, now today it was Imran Masood who has also gone on to say that we are still hoping that such time should come in the country when the government will have to make sure that there are oxygen booths at every area. So that is the kind of messaging which the Congress party is giving to the government, as not just him, but in fact Sonia Gandhi has also written an article in a News Daily today morning where she has made a veiled attack upon the government of India, saying that there are many initiatives which have been taken, but the funds are not being utilized in a proper manner to tackle this entire situation.
All right, Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more. Quick break with that on the broadcast.